Hello, this is Nasa Downs, and I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms. The first thing that you would want to do is create a new Google form. There's two ways you can do this. Click on the red New, scroll down, find the Google Forms. You can click on it there, or if you were in My Drive, there would also be a little option to drop down box and find Google Forms. Go ahead and grant sharing permission. Once Google Forms comes up, you are able to either make a quiz or a survey. There's a lot of different advantages to doing Google Forms. Then under form settings, you can go through and figure out what setting works for you. If you want to shuffle the questions for each time the kid takes the quiz or allow only one response per person. Then underneath survey, the first thing I would recommend is under question title, go ahead and write name. This allows you to see in Google Sheets the name of the student taking the survey or quiz. Underneath the first question, you are able to figure out if you want to do text, paragraph text, multiple choice, check boxes. There's scale. There's a lot of different options for the question type. I'm going to go ahead and put text that goes along with the name. Once you are done, click done. If you'd like to make another question, maybe this time you want to do multiple choice. You want to say, what's 2 times 2? Go through and make your different options of how many different options you want. If you want to just keep duplicating that, it makes it a lot easier if you just have one number that you want to change and maybe a number down here. You are able to edit or put that into the trash. So you can continue to add as many items as you would like. You could also require the kids to answer that question. When you're done, the confirmation page will allow you to share that as a public link or allow the responders to edit responses after submitting. But since we are doing a quiz, we probably would not want to do this. So you'll click send form. This is nice because you will get a URL. You can copy paste that and embed that into a website. You could share it through Google+, Facebook, or Twitter. And you can also share those with other people, maybe in your school district via email. And you can send that. I'm going to show you a Google form that I already have made under teacher evaluation form. And I'll show you some different themes that I ended up selecting. So I've made a form, and you can see the theme that I've selected. If you go up to change themes here, you are able to see the various themes that there are. You can view responses that come in. This is going to take you to Google Sheets. I had a few people pretend they took the survey, and I am one of them. So I took the quiz or the survey, and this shows you what each of the answers for each question would have been. And it just makes it nice and organized for when you want to see at what time they selected. If you have like a time requirement, you can see the timestamp. I also want to show you, this is just like Excel, but there's a lot of different options you can do here. You can end up moving this to your folder, see revision history as well, email this information. Again, it works just like Excel. I've added a chart already, but underneath insert, you can see a chart, and then you could edit the chart as you would like. Underneath format, you can change the size of your cells or whatever you would need. I want to show you one of the advanced features underneath data to turn off the filter, or I already turned on the filter, but you could go under data, click on the filter, and there's a lot of different things that you can do with filtering. Maybe you want to look at a select student and their particular scores, or maybe look for a certain score that you want to make sure if you have any ones that you want to see what section you had a 1 under that teacher evaluation. And the last thing I want to show you is underneath add-ons. I've already downloaded the app Flubaroo, but Flubaroo, if you were giving a quiz, would actually grade the assignment for you. And if you click grade assignment, You would be given the option to take the quiz yourself and go ahead and make your name as the key, but you can assign different point values for each of the questions that you are asking. And then it would grade it for you and put it into Google Sheets. Of course, you would be able to share this or even make comments with another for each of the sheets. Thank you for watching Google Forms.